Good day, my name is Daniel Rodrigo Madrigal Parra. I am a student in Engineering Electronic, sede José Acevedo y Gómez, City, Bogotá. I present my document identification. Yes. Okay. Because the interview was not possible by Skype, I will tell little about my last trip. This is speaking first moment, my last three interview. My trip city, Mexico, is a very full city. It's a trip work because company for working. In additional work was sometime learning culture, the city of Mexico. I was traveling in Mexico City. It's a beautiful city. The people are very kind. For the future, traveling between cities will be very fast. Between cities, very fast in this place. Most of the time I was working the life very early, and it's quite very cold. It's landscapes by very few vegetation and water and rivers is beautiful. The second moment is a little the company for the manage the environment and vegetation. I chose ExxonMobil Enterprise because this company does have a real why destroy the residual material and why they are using routine environment and causing damage to the planet. Also, a kind of act the animals run away from their natural environment and arrive the cities for damage for a place where the people in the little demand to the company to create real way to destroy their residual material and ensure ecological solution. As a solution, I am proposed to contract an external company, ensure a safety disposition of their residual material, even if it's a little expensive. The best solution to help me planet. Thank you very much.